What is up, guys? This is BC Gaming here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good here today. I'm teaching you guys how to hide your games on Steam from your friends or from anybody, family. But by the way, guys, if you're underage, under 18, and using this for nefarious means, please, stop watching now. But if you're wanting to hide the game from your friends or something like that, like a new game come out, you don't want to play with anybody yet, you want to play by yourself at first, and they're begging you to play. You don't want them knowing you own the game. It happens. I've been there. So this is for you for sure. Other guys, if you like the video, make sure you squish that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go and subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost at 100 subscribers finally. I noticed my videos lately, the ones that are doing good are the ones on Steam. A lot of Steam stuff. So we're gonna do a lot more of this kind of thing right here. It's got 10,000 views on one video, which is crazy. I never thought I'd get that. But anyways, guys, let's get started. It's very simple, very easy. Now, there's 3 steps actually for this, and depending on how well hidden you want the game to be. First off, you want to say, for example, let's just say we'll go with Borderlands 3, even though I don't have it downloaded right now. So you don't want somebody who's going here knowing you own the game because you don't want to play with them. So you go to manage, I think, yeah, hide this game. And now to view your hidden games, you would go to view hidden games. I'm not clicking on it because I don't want y'all to see what games I have hidden, for shame. Anyways, yeah, that's that first step. That's your first step. Easy. You're hiding it from people. That's on your computer. Second step, you're going to go to my profile. You're going to edit profile. Now you're going to go down to privacy settings. Now, this is where it depends on how serious you want your hidden to be. Now, you can keep your profile on friends only and see your profile, but you go down to game details and make sure that's on private so no one can see the games that you own. Not just what you have downloaded, but what you own on Steam. And there is a way you can actually remove Steam games from your Steam, like entirely, like your rights to it. And I might do that in another video, but for now, this is just for hiding it. Or you can just hit private altogether and hide freaking everything on your, you're a recluse like I am, you want to hide, screw the government. Anyways, yeah, hiding everything, you can do that. Just hit, I think you just hit, there's a save button. I think just back to your profile. It should save it by itself. Should be there, edit profile, privacy settings. Yep, it's all on private again. Alright, everything's private. Basic details, you can change that too. But yeah, that's the second step. Third step, final step. You don't want them to know what you're playing when you're playing it. So, how does this? Oh yeah, set yourself to while you're playing the game that you're hiding to offline or no, sign out invisible. Set yourself to invisible right there. Appear offline. Now, not only does no one know that you own the game, no one knows that you're playing it. So make sure those 3 steps, the first one's, it depends on if you're worried about someone going on your computer and seeing your game. But the last 2, you need to have set. Your privacy set to private, and this thing set to hidden. And that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, make sure you squish that like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Go and subscribe if you haven't already. And watch out for more Steam videos just like this one. Y'all have an awesome day.